Hi, in this video, don't skip any part. Important steps to get the job done. Now from this direct link, I can delete an Instagram account in simple steps without getting dizzy from YouTube videos. Just follow these 3 steps. Open the link, then open with Chrome, or you can use any browser. Again, complete the Action tab to open it in the browser. Now the second step. Log in to your Instagram account. Save your login info. Click Not Now here. Now you are in the final step to delete your account. Simply here, choose the reason for deleting the Instagram account. I'll choose something else here. Now, enter your password again here to confirm. Note this, if you continue, your profile and account details will be deleted after a month. Until that date, your account details will be hidden. Finally, click Delete here. Where can I find the direct deletion link? In this video, as you are watching now, open the comments here. You will find a pinned comment. Click on the link and follow the steps. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.